Hey, welcome back. So today's video is about this. What is this? This is a PSP 3000. A PSP 3000 which is advertised as brand new. I know, right? There is no brand new PSP in the market, which means that this is a refurbished unit, a reshelled unit of the PSP 3006. You see the seller has go into lengths to making sure that you have the full brand new experience. So it is advertised as brand new. It is not brand new, but never mind, let's just unbox it, see what you get. This one was not in the box, but it was provided. PSP pouch. You get a screen protector. You get a USB cable to charge the PSP. You get the charger itself. Hold on. There you go. It feels light and cheap. That's how I describe it. You get the manual as well. The manual, oddly enough, is only in Chinese. So never mind. This is a full brand new experience for a refurbished, reshelled PSP. So, and you get the PSP itself. I chose the red one. So this is how it looks like. It looks fine. It looks new. It looks legit. PSP 3006. The UMD door. Does it open? Of course it opens. Let's just peel this off. Come on now, baby, peel. Peel for me, baby, please. Peel. Oh, that was satisfying. So the UMD door opens and closes. It's not satisfying though. It has no jump. Just a bit of a jump there. Okay, but it's fine. So let's turn it on, shall we? Does it still have juice? Yes, it still has juice. So yeah, it looks like a PSP. Buttons work. System settings. This button is a bit stiff though. This one, yeah, the button is a bit stiff. What else? Let's just load a game. See if the game loads. How about Sonic Rivals? So at least now we've established that the refurbished PSP works. I don't see any dead pixels on it, even though it's refurbished and reshelled. Looks fine. Okay, everything looks okay now. Let's just start. Come on. Come on, what can I play? Come on. Skip. Come on, I want to play. How do I play this? That's how I play. Okay. Okay, looks fine. Quit the game? Yes. So everything looks fine now so far, right? Everything looks legit, correct? But let me show you something. Let me show you something about this PSP. Let me show you what's the problem with sellers advertising this as brand new PSP 3000. Here is the problem. Let me show you. You see this? You notice something? MAC address, model 02G. And if you do some Google searching, model 02G is PSP 2000. That means that the seller is not being honest. So the seller is basically selling a PSP 2000 with a PSP 3000 shell. I don't know what kind of trickery or what kind of modification that they did, but they managed to get the PSP 2000 motherboard and all the innards and components into a PSP 3000 shell and selling it and advertising it as PSP 3000. Naughty the sellers. Okay, so the point of this video was to educate you about online sellers. They can be dishonest at times, advertising a PSP 3000 as brand new. Yes, it looks new. Yes, of course, yes. To the uninformed buyers, okay, this might look brand new, but to us who's informed, we know that PSP has not been in production since what, 2000 something. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Use Google. I know going in when I purchased this, I know that it's a refurbished set, it's a reshell set, but I did not know that they would come to this extent of reshelling a PSP 2000 in a PSP 3000 casing. So you can see it for yourself. This proves that this PSP is a PSP 2000 in a PSP 3000 shell. So let that be a lesson to everyone. If you want to purchase a used PSP, make sure you don't get a PSP that is reshelled. Get a used one which has wear and tear. That in that way you can make sure that the PSP 3000 that you're purchasing is really a PSP 3000 and not a PSP 2000 in 3000 clothing. So that has been my video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.